All right, so we have some really cool filters for the Mini 3 Pro drone from DJI, and they're great here. This is actually the one that comes on it, and I have the ND64 right here, as you can see. And so they just pop off really easily, and then you can pop these ones on. We have the ND8, the ND16, ND32, ND64, which is on here. We have the CPL, which is, it's variable. Actually, they're all variable, and we'll get into that in a second. And then ND128. And so really you can adjust how much strength you want on that ND, and that's what's great about a variable lens. And I love these. What you want these for is when you're flying your drone really fast, you want to have that motion feel to it. That way it's like it's locked on its subject, but the rest of it's kind of blurry. It's gonna make it look like it's even going faster than it is. So especially on really sunny days, or there's a big glare on like the ocean or something like that, you're gonna want these filters. So I highly recommend them, and thanks for watching.